Hello, students. Your research paper in Dr. Al-Assad's class is coming up in several weeks. It's time you learn to use our wonderful library at Merritt College. We will have a librarian come and speak to us as well, but I wanted to also create this video to show you how to get into the library to find your research articles that you will need for Dr. Al-Assad's assignment. First, you will enter the Merritt College Library, merritt.edu/library/. So here we are in the library. We are going to go to databases and ebooks. So I will click there. And here you are going to be writing about medical assistance. And you will have a specific topic. But for now, let's put medical assistance here. And I'll click search. I am going to go, we get us into databases, which have many articles, thousands of articles on many subjects. So first, I'm going to go to we'll go to medical assisting, okay? And we can go to all databases, all vendors, and I'm just going to hit go. And these are the sources that come up. These are the big databases. I'm going to click this one. You can click any one, but this one I'm more familiar with, ProQuest, so I'm going to start there. And I've already typed in medical assisted careers, because this would be, if I was writing a paper, maybe I would want, this would be one of my topics that I'm interested in. So I will click on that. And then look how many results. Can you read that many articles? No. So we're going to make this a little smaller. We want full text because you want to read a whole article. Dr. Al-Assad would like you to read scholarly journals. So I will put scholarly journals there. And also, we don't want articles from 1965. It's too old. Maybe the last 10 years. Because we want to know what has happened with medical assistant careers, maybe in the last 10 years. So I'll update that. Already it's gone, now it's gone down to 6,000. I think I'll just stop there for now and just look at what articles we have. Let's see. And sometimes it takes a while to find articles that we like. Let's see, looks like among physician assistants. I'm going to just start here, choice of specialties among physician assistants. Let's see, yes, that's where I will start for now. As I said, this takes a long time to find articles. It can be frustrating, but you just have to keep at it. It's like a puzzle, putting all the pieces together. So you could read this abstract that gives you a summary of the article. Maybe it's interesting to you, maybe not. And you would have to go back and find more information. Should have also added maybe careers. There's different subjects you can do. And also at end of articles, you can usually find more articles, and that maybe we'll have other sources that would be interesting to you as well. If you find an article you like, you can email it to yourself. Okay, that is your lesson for today. I hope you enjoy it. And remember, make sure you come to class when we have a representative from the library and you can ask specific questions about your topic. See you later.